Okay, today I'm going to quickly go through where to look to make sure your J-Link modem is calling out and working properly. So this can be either after you've had to replace one or a new install of one, either way. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Op Center, and then under the Map tab, we're going to go to Equipment here, and then search the piece you want. This 5075 that I did there yesterday, I believe. Uh, so click on it, then go over here to setup, click on the machine. We're going to scroll down here, and first thing we're going to double check is to make sure that our J-Link connectivity is active. And then on down below that, it's going to have all of our statuses of everything. If it's on and running, then these will be green, where the on-off button, the off buttons are currently. And make sure you got good signal. Our antenna is good, and it's got a log here of how long it has been calling out for and been reporting status. So a lot of times after you first install one, on this right here, it'll have all this stuff on, it'll look good, but it's not showing up on your map yet. So once I check that everything's working here, I go back to my map and make sure it's showing the correct location. This one it's right here on our lot. It's where it's supposed to be. Sometimes it'll show it someplace that's not feasible, like out in the ocean or something like that. If it does that, then usually just cycle the key, shut it off, let it power down, maybe a minute or two, start it back up, and usually within a minute or so, it will pop right back up. Everything will be where it should be. It'll show to the correct location. That is after you've already made sure that on the previous page there that you have signal and it's communicated and paired